Hi guys, my name is Upalina Gupta and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do this berry smoke eye with winged eyeliner look. So sit back, follow along and get your glam on. Go! Go. So that was it for the video guys. I hope you liked it. Let me know what you thought about this look in the comment section below. Also let us know what other looks you would want us to try. And for more such tutorials, you know what to do. Like, share and subscribe to MyGlamm.